wealth is education, because education cannot be stolen by anybody. It cannot be burnt by fire. It will not reduce when you give more and more. In fact, actually it will grow more and more when you give more and more to others. We understand this wealth is very important, but in spite of that, if you want to enjoy this wealth, you must have a better health. Health is more important than this education wealth, people say. That is why actually we give equal importance to the sports. Really, in sports, we learn a lot of things. In addition to that, the discipline. The three tenets of our college, all of us we know. DCE, it is famous for discipline, character, and education. Education comes last. The way we learn a lot of rules and disciplines in the sports, that is why actually we give equal importance to that also. And next actually we have this college day function. We give importance for the career growth, knowledge, education, and so many things. And then we have the last, the tomorrow's function, employment. That is why the outcome of this education, we get this graduation day. Now this college day function, it is a day of retrospection. What we mean by this day of retrospection? 1 year actually has gone for the college, and for the students actually 1 year studies is over, and for the faculty members 1 year experience is added. What is that actually we have done in this year? What actually we have missed? What actually we want to add? All these things actually to be thought over, and we must give a lot of importance for this day, and what best actually we can improve upon. That is why actually we have this college day function. Also, this is the day to remember the service of so many things and the achievements attained by our students. That is why actually today we have the prize distribution for the class toppers, for the faculty members for their service, especially their research publications and patents. We going to honor them. And also for the non-teaching members, they are really toiling. Unless with that, without their service, we cannot enjoy all these facilities. Today actually we are going to honor them. For all these things, the management patronage and the support of a chairman and chairperson, very essential. They are giving a lot of cooperation. On behalf of you, I welcome our chairman and chairperson for this college day function. Now, any function will be glorified by the presence of the chief guest. Today in our midst, we have a very eminent person, Dr. Bhaskaran. He is General Manager, Joint Director, MSc Department, Government of Tamil Nadu. On behalf of us, we give again a lot of thunderous applause to welcome him for this. Sir, we are here to listen from you. We welcome you, sir. Now we have the pillars of this institution, the heads of the departments and the members of staff. Without their service, a college cannot improve. And this is the day actually we have to honor them, and we welcome them for this wonderful function. Again, we'll welcome all the members of the staff. Most of all these things, our beloved children, without our support, we cannot run anything. Yesterday we had the sports day and also the important culturals day. In any college, The discipline of the students is judged only by the behavior in the culturals program. Really, we are very remarkable. Your behavior yesterday is very, very wonderful. The same thing actually will continue. I hope so. I give a lot of appreciation our students for your behavior. I welcome you all for this college day function. Let us make this a very happy and a grand function. Once again, I thank you all for your presence and make this function a grand success. Thank you very much. Thanks.
Thank you, sir, for the warm welcome. As we reflect on the milestones and achievements of the past year, let this annual report serve as testaments to our collective dedication, resilience, and commitment to the academic excellence. Without further ado, let's move on to the annual report of the year 2023 to 2024. This year, we celebrate academic excellence, innovate research, vibrant circular activities to the reflect achievements of our college committee of past year. We know invite Dr. Shivakumar, head of the ECE department, to present annual report day of 2023 to 2024. I welcome you, sir.
Very good morning, one and all present here. My warm welcome to all. First of all, I would like to thank our honorable chairman, sir, chairperson and vice chairman, and Dr. Dean, sir, and placement director. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Dr. Lelanjayan, C, principal of this institution, extend a warm welcome to our honorable chairman, Dr. V.P. Ramamurthy, respected chairperson, Mrs. V.R. Dhanalakshmi, esteemed chief guest, heads of various departments, elite faculty members, staff members, and our dear budding engineers. It gives me great pleasure to present the achievements and milestones of the academic year 2023-24 in my annual report. Dhanalakshmi College of Engineering, an esteemed institution under Dhanalakshmi Educational Trust, was founded in 2001 at Manimangalam, Tambaram, Chennai by the visionary academician and former professor of Anna University, Dr. V.P. Ramamurthy, approved by All India Council for Technical Education, New Delhi, and affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. DC holds NAC accreditation and ISO certification as a sister institution of the Indian Institute of Professional Education, IIP, shortly known as IIP, established by our honorable chairman in 1993. DC stands a beacon of excellence in providing entrance examination for professional courses. Dhanalakshmi College of Engineering has evolved into a distinguished center for engineering and technological studies, fostering a safe and conducive learning environment. Beyond imparting quality engineering education to shape students into technologically proficient and socially responsible citizens, the institution emphasizes creativity and efficiency in engineering. The institution aims to provide quality education integrated with ethical values to contribute to the nation's development. Our vision is committed to produce highly disciplined, conscientious, and enterprising professionals conforming to global standards through value-based quality education and research excellence. The mission emphasizes meeting social needs by developing technically proficient individuals who align the institution visions. To achieve these objectives, the educational process delivers cutting-edge technology and research-oriented education through a curriculum aligned with Anna University, Chennai. Skill development programs are also offered to equip students for success in competitive technological environments. The governing council establishing according to regulations oversees institute operations and provides guidance for effective functioning comprising distinguished educationists and industrialists. Chaired by our Dr. Vishwanathan D., Rector of R&D at Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute, Chennai. And former Vice Chancellor of Anna University, Chennai, the council convenes regularly to evaluate institutional activities and provide direction from improvement. Policies formulated by the council are implemented to enhance the college, including strategic decisions such as faculty recruitment, research projects funding, publication encouragement, and industry exposure for faculty and students. DC offers a range of undergraduate programs including B. Electronics and Communication Engineering, B. Computer Science and Engineering, B. Mechanical Engineering, B. Electrical and Electronics Engineering, B. Tech, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Engineering, B. Computer Science Engineering, Cyber Security. Additionally, 2 new undergraduate programs, B. in Artificial Intelligence, Machine Learning, and B. Tech, the Information Technology, have been approved by AICTE starting from the academic year 24-25 onwards. In addition to undergraduate offerings, DC also provides postgraduate CAD-CAM. Key features of DC includes enhancing green eco-minded campus, fully solar power campus around 200 kilowatts, standalone solar powered fountain, solar powered car, drone training center, Japanese language learning center, Mandagini Celestial Observatory, DC campus radio, all AI humanoid and industry robots, AI AR VR experience laboratory, industry empowered IoT and embedded systems, startup industries operating on the campus itself, active incubation centers, centers of excellence, and top notch sports arena, NCC firing range with obstacles, dynamic NSS units. Decentralized committees and cells have been established to effectively oversee the functions of the institute. This includes the internal quality assurance cell, IQAC, headed by Dr. A.R. Pradeep Kumar, the Department of Training and Placement, headed by Professor Bharati Raja, the Department of Research and Development, headed by Dr. Sivakumar, the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, headed by Ms. Kirtana D. from the Department of Training and Placement, the Industry Institution Interaction Cell and Career Development Cell, headed by Mrs. Aruna from Training and Placement Section, the Institution Innovation Cell, headed by Mrs. Komadavelli from Department of Training and Placement, the DC Alumni Association, led by Mr. Pathasarathi from Department of Training and Placement, the Department of Physical Education and NCC units, Army Wing, led by Dr. Manoj Kumar, the NSS unit and Rotary Club, overseen by Mr. J. Ramajayam, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, the Cultural Club, led by Mr. Srinivasan, Assistant Professor of AIDS Department. About the department, the streamlined mission of all the departments is to create employable engineers, managers and entrepreneurs with professional competency, outstanding leadership qualities, personal integrity and sensitivity to ethical issues, empathy for the weak and less privileged. Faculty members across departments are encouraged to pursue advanced studies and register for PhD programs to enhance their knowledge and teaching skills. For this academic year 23-24, the total number of faculty pursuing PhD is 27. Regular counseling and motivation sessions are provided to the students support their academic performance. A maximum of 15 students per faculty, the mentoring system is effectively practiced in our institution. The teaching learning process is consistently monitored and analyzed to ensure positive outcomes in non-university examinations. Efforts are made to conduct additional classes focusing on communication skills, aptitude, personality development and group discussions to augment students' readiness for placement opportunities. Furthermore, a culture of discipline and punctuality is upheld among both staff and students across all the activities. Then academic activities. The college operates from 8:30 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. on all working days. An academic schedule is prepared before each semester and distributed to all the students, faculty and staff. Regular lecture classes, tutorials, 2 internal assessment tests and 1 model examinations are conducted each semester. Additionally, RERAP means read, write and practice. Tests are held every morning with questions announced in advance. Remedial classes also offered on evening sessions and on Saturdays for students who require additional support. Academic delivery plans focused on achieving results are implemented to standardize and enhance the quality of education. The DC exam cell schedules and administers internal examinations according to the academic schedule provided by Anna University. A centralized evaluation scheme has been implemented to ensure consistent and timely evaluation of all the subjects, facilitating analysis and improvement of results. University examinations includes both theory and practical examinations are conducted in compliance with Anna University norms. Periodic analysis of internal assessment tests and Anna University results is undertaken to enhance the overall performance of the college. Then DC Training and Placement. The Department of Training and Placements is headed by Professor N. Bharati Raja. He leads the team of various trainers for training, including aptitude, technical, core technical, company specific and soft skills. Placement training has been provided from the first year to the final year according to the regular schedule. Apart from the timetable, the department also provides internal and external training to all the students. Additionally, external certified trainers provide Japanese trainings to the students, 2 different batches. For the batch 2020-24, out of 119 students, 90 students have been placed in 27 visiting companies with a total of 122 job offers. The placement percentage for this academic year is 83%. The highest salary package offered in 8 lakhs per annum with an average package of 5 lakhs per annum. DC infrastructure, DCS, enable infrastructure facilities. Each department is accommodated in a separate block with spacious, well-ventilated classrooms equipped with ICT facilities to facilitate effective teaching learning process. Hostel facilities, separate hostels for boys and girls available with a capacity of 450 for boys and 250 for girls. These hostels are equipped with various amenities includes internet connectivity, a modern gym, solar water heaters and RO systems for drinking water. Mr. Tamichalvan serves as the warden and Mr. Rajasekaran as the assistant warden for the boys hostel, while Mrs. Malarvasha is the warden for the girls hostel. Library facilities. The library spans an area of 1083 square feet and can house up to 50,000 books. An RFID gate is installed at the entrance of book security, and both staff and student are provided with RFID smart IDs for library access. The library offers reference and textbooks by both national and international authors covering various fields includes basic science, engineering and technology, humanities and management. It is also providing leading English, Tamil and Telugu newspapers with subscription of 63 national and international print journals, 469 Springery journals and 311 e-journals through Delnet. The library offers a diverse range of resources. The digital library section hosts 27 systems with internet access. The collection comprises 38,071 volumes of books, 926 back volumes and 1,878 CDs. In addition to the engineering books, the library offers competitive exam materials, self-motivation, story, biography, and rare books. Autolib software also utilized for library management. Springer Nature e-journal subscription are available, providing both faculty and students with online access via Springer link. Transport facility. Around 20 buses daily on various routes in and around Chennai for the welfare of staff and students who use them regularly to arrive punctually at the college. The transport department oversees the maintenance of all buses with the team headed by Mr. Nandakumar, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering and Mr. Kumar. Canteen and hostel facilities. The canteen facilities are available for both staff and students with a seating capacity of 800. The men's hostel is a 5-story building equipment with a gym and an indoor badminton court. The principal serves the chief warden assisted by the vice principal and deputy warden responsible for the well-being of hostel students. The canteen serves hygienic, nutritious and balanced food to meet dietary needs of students from various parts of the country. Internet facility. Our college is a Wi-Fi enabled campus that provides 24 hours internet facilities with a speed of 250 MB per second. Both staff and students benefit from this internet facility. NCC and NSS activities. DC has 2 units of NCC, TN1 Battalion Army Wing. Recently, DC established a venue for training on obstacles and a firing range. I proudly announce that NCC cadets from all over Tamil Nadu receive training here. As it is described by NCC officers regularly, NCC camps have taken place in this year with NCC cadets from our institution and other participating. DC has also 2 NSS units, both headed by Mr. Ramajayam, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering. The NSS unit organize various activities around the campus. The DC NSS unit has adopted 2 villages, namely Salamangalam and Pundandalam, where students conduct regular social activities. Some of the social activities organized by the unit include food distribution to physically challenged school students and the elderly. Udaipavarini to temples, Udavarapani to temples in Kanjipuram and Chengalpattu districts, blood donation camps, medical checkup camps, sapling plantation, education for rural children, assistance to the poor, road safety awareness program, traffic regulation activities, rainwater harvesting awareness program in Kanjipuram district and yoga and there. DC Rotary Club headed by Mr. Ramajayam, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, has been functioning successfully for the past 15 years and has undertaken more than 50 projects. This includes Madurai, focusing on the women empowerment, Project 1 focusing on food donation to the needy throughout the year, Adayalam focusing on empowering leaders and several other social projects for betterment of society. Faculty empowerment achievements. To enhance the faculty proficiency in emerging technologies and foster the integration of technology in teaching, the management motivates faculty members to organize and participate in various programs like FDP, STTP, workshops and seminars organized by DC and other institutions. In the academic year 23-24, 82 faculty members participated in various FDP and STTP programs, with the management providing on-duty and financial support towards registration fees and travel allowances. The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering conducted a 5-day faculty development program on artificial intelligence and machine learning from 17/7/23 to 21/7/23, providing a platform for sharing expertise and findings in the field of AI and ML. Mr. Sivakumar, Associate Professor of AIDS, acted as a member of the referee board in the paper presentation contest TechFest 2024 at Tagore Engineering College. Mr. R. Srinivasan, Assistant Professor of AIDS, served as a resource person for the hands-on workshop on the topic app development using React Native at KGSL Institute of Technology. Dr. Revati, Associate Professor, AIDS Department, received funding of 3,12,682 from Multimedia University, Cyber Jaya Campus, 63,900 Cyber Jaya, Malaysia, for the project title Deep Learning Based Hybrid Emotion Recognition Model Using Physiological Signal of Human. DCE Center of Research. The Center for Research and Development at DCE organized and conducted 1-week faculty development program titled Practicing Innovative Research Methodology in Emerging Trends from March 25th to 30th, 2024. Approximately 200 participants from various institutions and universities has participated, with coordination by Dr. S. Dinesh and Dr. M. Sivakumar. In the academic year 23-24, faculty members published 30 Scopus Index journals and 1 SAI journals based on the research work. Additionally, a total of 15 patents were published and communication was established with 10 Science Citation Index journals. Moreover, 10 patents were filed and are awaiting publications. DCE Center of Excellence. The Department of Mechanical Engineering has established a Center of Excellence in 3D printing powered by NextGen 3D Printers Private Limited. Students in the 4th year of Mechanical Engineering have fabricated various products under this COE, which is headed by Mr. Andar Kumar, HOD of Mechanical Engineering. The Center of Excellence for Electric Vehicles, headed by Mr. P. Ramamurthy, Head of EEE Department, assembles electric vehicles of various ranges. The COE has sponsored EVs for principal and supervisors to move around the campus, with future plans to produce more EVs to make the campus eco-friendly. The Department of AIDS has established a Center of Excellence for AR and VR powered by MIT Square, London. The Center for Alternative Fuel Research is headed by Dr. A.R. Pradeep Kumar, IQAC Director. The Center of Excellence for Drones, headed by Mr. V. Sriram, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering. In industrial visits, regular industrial visits have been arranged by all the departments every year. Few of the organization our students visited are Vainu Papu Observatory, operated by Indian Institute of Astrophysics, ISRO, ICF, IGCAR, Ashok Leyland, RANE, BSNL, NextGen, etc. Value-added courses for the students. To provide additional learner-centric, graded skill-oriented technical training with the primary objective of improving the employability skill of the student, DC has provided 14 value-added courses on various topics. Faculty training and upskilling. To enhance the faculty skills and integrate recent technologies into the curriculum, the management has motivated and financially supported faculty for industrial training. 8 faculty members participated in a 10-day industrial training program on machine learning at Retech Solution Private Limited, Chennai, Tambaram, while 4 faculty members attended a similar program on embedded systems and IoT. Additionally, Mr. Sriram, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Engineering, and Mr. Dikshan Duraraj, Assistant Professor of AI and DS Department, completed 7-day training program on DGCA approved remote pilot training. Classes for the Rotorcraft, a small idea class at Remote Pilot Training Organization, Center for Aerospace Research, MIT Anna University, from September 28th to October 3rd, 2023. Furthermore, faculties are encouraged to participate in NPTEL program in their respective areas of expertise. Over 120 members, including faculty and students, enrolled in various NPTEL courses and appeared for examinations during the academic year 23-24. Faculty members also received FDP training through the non-Mudulan program organized by TNS-DC. Guest lecture and seminars and induction day. The induction day for the academic year 23-24 took place on 11/9/2023, featuring Mr. Charles Godwin, leader and public speaker at Zoho, as the chief guest, who motivated the students by sharing his life journey and success story. The Department of Computer Science Engineering organized 2 days workshop on software testing tools on 7/11/23 and 8/11/23, facilitated by experts from 1S Infotech Solutions. The Department of Computer Science Engineering Cybersecurity Department held an awareness program on 31/10/23 with Ms. Vasumati Sriram delivering a presentation on cybercrime concepts and preventing measures. A workshop titled Importance of ICT Tools and Smart Classrooms in Academics was conducted by Mr. Tirumurthy, HOD, Science and Humanities. The Department of AIDS hosted a guest lecture titled Let's Talk About Future Technologies in Big Data Analysis on 12th August 2023. The Department of ECE inaugurated the IET Students Program on 15th April 2024 with Dr. K. Ashwin Seshadri, Head of Mothers and Technology Services Limited and Executive Member of IETE, presiding over the event. Then MOU, to guide academic and research activities between the institution and industry, DC has signed 14 MOUs for the academic year 23-24. The conclusion. To conclude my annual report, I must emphasize that the development, progress and achievements mentioned are the result of effective teamwork. Our management, led by an academician, encourages and supports us in every endeavor, fostering a drive for improvement in various areas. Without their support, these accomplishments would not have been possible. As we strive for further milestones, I remain confident in the continued support and coordination of our faculty, staff and students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. A creative man is motivated by the desire to achieve, not by the desire to beat others. We are honored to have a chief guest, Dr. E. Bhaskaran, sir, whose presence graces this occasion. We welcome you, sir. Now I would like to invite Chairman, sir, and Chairperson, ma'am, to felicitate our chief guest. Thank you, dignitaries. Now, I would like to call Mr. Bhardiraja, sir, Head of Placement Department, to introduce our chief guest.
Very good morning to one and all present here. First, I would like to thank our DC management and DC family members to stand in front of you all to read the chief guest profile for this wonderful occasion. Special thanks to our beloved chairman sir, chairperson ma'am, vice chairman sir, dean sir, and HOD EC Dr. Shivakumar sir, and other respective heads of the various department, and my dear placement team members. Dear attendees, esteemed guests, and respected colleagues, it is a privilege to introduce Dr. E. Bhaskaran, a distinguished figure in the realms of engineering, management, and innovation. Dr. Bhaskaran's remarkable career spans decades, marked by unwavering dedication and significant contributions across various sectors, earning him widespread acclaim both nationally and internationally. With an impressive array of credentials, including a bachelor's in mechanical engineering, an MBA in management sciences, and a PhD in the same field, Dr. Bhaskaran is renowned for his expertise at the intersection of engineering and management. His professional journey is distinguished by memberships in esteemed institutions, including prestigious fellowships with the Institution of Engineers and the Indian Institution of Plant Engineers. Dr. Bhaskaran's ingenuity shines through his patent applications and design registrations, underscoring his commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology, particularly in domains such as industrial robotics and hybrid vehicle development. Across his extensive career, Dr. Bhaskaran has held pivotal roles in governmental and institutional capacities, driving initiatives aimed at fostering entrepreneurship, modernization, and industrial growth. His leadership as Deputy Director at the Entrepreneurship Development and Innovation Institute reflects his passion for nurturing talent and fostering innovation in the entrepreneurial landscape. In addition to his professional achievements, Dr. Bhaskaran is a prolific researcher and scholar with numerous publications in renowned journals and books covering a wide range of topics from industrial robotics to cooperative societies. His musical talents further demonstrate his versatility with proficiency in both Carnatic and Western music, mastering instruments such as the violin, guitar, piano, and keyboard. Recognized with prestigious awards such as the Smart Journal Young Management Scientist Award and the Distinguished Alumni Award, Dr. Bhaskaran's contributions to academia, industry, and society at large are truly outstanding and deserving of admiration. Please join me in extending a warm welcome to Dr. Bhaskaran, whose presence today adds invaluable wisdom, expertise, and inspiration to our gathering. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. I now invite our chief guest, Dr. E. Bhaskaran sir, to deliver the presidential address.
and other Dr. R.K. Natarajan, Dean, Dr. C. Ilanjerian, Principal, Dr. Bharati Raja, Dr. Shivakumar. So, first of all, I thank for inviting me as a chief guest for this college day. So, someone said about sports is important or not. Sports is also an important, that is also an entrepreneurship. Now they are earning lot. You can see our IPL matches. They are earning in terms of crore. So from that we can conclude that sports is also one of the earning thing for our life. See, we have limited job. One is through government exam, TNPSC, very limited. I came as an assistant engineer, assistant director, very limited post. UPSC, IAS exam, IPS, deputy collector, all very limited post. Then comes the college. Here you can be a lecturer, that also very limited. Then companies. Company, if you see, they are taking very limited person. Skilled labor, semi-skilled labor. Then what is the option for an employment? Only entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is the only mantra where you can be a successful in your life. You can ask me why you are not an entrepreneur. So my line changed. Now I am passion for entrepreneurship only. In B mechanical I did robotics, 4 degree of freedom. Body with 500 kg it will take. But after that I don't know whether I have to be an entrepreneur or not. That time I don't have any facility like this now. You have an IIC, lot of professors are talking about an entrepreneurship, lot of things are there. That time no one used to say, even the word entrepreneur also we don't know what is entrepreneur. We are in that situation that time. So I have not done anything in my robo. Simply I am telling I got award from Directorate of Technical Education, Best Project Award. They gave me cash and a certificate. Cash I should not tell the cash about only 35 rupees. Okay. That too it came by post office money order. That time we have not, when certificate also came by post only. See what you have to do. In final year, you take a very good project. Number one, your father and mother might have some industry. Your father maybe have an automobile shop or any garment shop, or your mother may have some other industry. So after finishing your graduation, please continue that industry. See, our chairman is there. Their legaler, they will continue that. This college business. He said his son is in US, he is going to come here and then he will take over the college. Same thing you also should do. You should not throw away your father business. See, very, very important. Education is also important. Moreover, your father has developed one company means, please take care of that because he put lot of energy in that company. You can learn from him. So what you can do, you can join in a company as an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means you are having a passion in your mind 1 or 2 years you can work in a company, you learn all about financial management, marketing management, human resource management, production management, then come out of that company, micro, small, medium, then you can continue in your father business or you can start an industry. So starting an industry, government of Tamil Nadu or government of India, we are giving lot of facility. 10 steps I will tell today. First step, in final year, whatever project you are going to take, please keep in mind that you have to do that business. For example, you are developing an electrical vehicle in mechanical engineering or electronics engineering. That electrical vehicle, you have to invent it in such a way that after finishing out of your college 4th year, you should go out and start an industry. See, B final year, single person will do, 4% will do the project. In my B mechanical, 4 mechanical engineer, 1 electronic girl, she is in Singapore now, we only did. That mechanical part, whatever it is in chain and sprocket, stepper motor, we went to Mumbai and bought it. That time we don't have any notes also. We went to IIT Madras. By walk we will go because IIT Madras, you have very limited bus. So we struggled a lot to finish the project. Finally we got it, the project. So what I'm telling, we did 5%, 4 mechanical and 1 electronic. All 5 only will be owner of that robo. All 5 only will take patent for that. But students, if you are very comfortable in joining as a team, you can do 2 or 3% if you join. But if you come out of the college, you should start only proprietor. You should not start a proprietor. You can start only partnership. Partnership is very, very, very important. You should not fight among yourself. After your marriage, one person, wife will tell something. Girl means his husband may tell something. So you should have very good thing in mind. That's why I am telling each and every student, you do one single project. You discuss with your professor. What lot of problems are there in India or in world. You take any problem, you analyze it, develop as a product, then you put it in a market, commercialize it, you can be a successful entrepreneur. So first step, innovation is very, very important. Whatever project, one professor while coming in car, he said, sir, I am going to do engine efficiency. I asked, what is engine efficiency? We learned only petrol diesel engine. He said, sir, hydrogen is there, hybrid vehicle is there. I asked, no, electrical vehicle is going to play the role in future like that. I said, no, sir, hydrogen vehicle is only important because you don't have any pollution. Okay, electrical vehicle is also there. But in electrical vehicle, lithium decomposition is very important. He argued like that. Throughout the car, I have to thank your chairman because he has arranged one person with very good knowledge. Even I have interacted throughout 1 hour. I have asked a lot of questions on him. Even though I am also student now, I am doing Doctor of Science in an international university on robotics. So I have published 24 journal in Springer Scope. Still I am doing publishing. Why means education is very, very important. You do innovation. Final year, you discuss with your professor, take any problem. Lot of problems are there. You analyze that. So you can start. For that, we are having an innovation voucher program. 2 lakhs Tamil Nadu government is giving. IVP. So what you can do, you can go to your incubator or your chairman also took me to all your places where you are having a incubator place where you can develop a new product. You can discuss with your professor, develop a new product. So 2 lakhs we are giving for innovation voucher program A. 50,000 you have to put, 2 lakh we are giving. So you can buy all raw material, develop as a product and then you can commercialize it. Innovation voucher program B, we are giving 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs you can put 5 lakh, Tamil Nadu government is giving through EDII, Entrepreneur Development and Innovation Institute. What this 5 lakh means, you can test your product. For that, for example, you have done a robo. You have to test whether it is efficiently working or not. So all testing expenses, you can use this 5 lakh. And then marketing you have to do. Marketing of your product, you have to meet so many companies. That charges and all we are repaying. So 10 lakhs, 5 lakh, Tamil Nadu government is reimbursing. So first step you have to do innovation. Then we have TANSIM, Tamil Nadu Startup Innovation Mission. There we are having TAN seed fund. So that seed fund is given around 10 lakhs. So you can develop electrical vehicle, or any solar panel or any very big car, even drone, lot of things are there. And for women entrepreneur, we are giving 15 lakhs. Women, green friendly technologies and all. And for SC/ST entrepreneur, we are giving up to 50 lakhs. So you can make use of that TANSIM, Tamil Nadu Startup Innovation Mission. So Startup TN is the website, you can go there and log in. Lot of things they are doing, hackathon, and then for students they are conducting lot of programs. And in EDA also we are giving through our, we are giving Tamil Nadu Student Innovation Award. So final year student you can take award. For school students also, for Ilam Innovator Award we are giving. And you know, you are in annual report, sir has read about a non-Mudal One scheme. In non-Mudal One also, you can put your name in that website. So many companies, they are registering in that website. So whoever want job, you can register in the non-Mudal One website. For example, one leather company is there, means he wants some skilled and semi-skilled labor. So he can take from the non-Mudal One portal. So what Tamil Nadu government is giving, we have opened up the non-Mudal One portal, so that students you can register in that portal. We are all what we are doing means all companies we are going to register there. That process is going on. So all companies they will register there. One company will ask a CNC operator, semi-skilled labor and all, means we will register that company name with a job vacancy. As a student, if you register in the non-Mudal One portal, we will match both of them, employer and employee, and will you place it. So this is one more thing we are doing. So we are going to onboard all micro, small, medium entrepreneur. Micro means 1 crore missionary, 5 crore turnover. Small means 10 crore missionary, 50 crore turnover. Medium industry means 50 crore missionary, 250 crore turnover. Run India, Breaks India and all. Large company, 250 crore, greater than that. Ashok Leyland, Nissan, these companies. So my request in the first step, you please concentrate either on job. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you can make use of our government scheme. You do very good project in final year. Take very good project, patent it or commercialize it. After finishing your BE, you can be an entrepreneur. You no need to wait for any other person. So you analyze the problem and then you make. Second step, we are helping you to prepare business model. What is business model? Who are all your customer? What relationship you are going to have? In what channel you are going to give your product? Why customer has to buy your product? Unique selling proposition. What key activity you are going to do? What key resource you are going to bring? Who are all your partner? Who are all your competitor? What is cost structure? Land, building, machinery, how much you are going to buy for starting a company? What is the revenue stream? If you sell your computer, your manufacturer of computer, immediately will get cash. If you sell your auto components, after 40th day only you will give the money, after 30 days. So all the thing is a business model. Even Flipkart, Amazon, before starting an industry, they will put a business model. So that we are helping you. And business plan is also very, very important. Profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, funds flow. So once you are going to start an industry, you have to go to bank. Bank will ask about what is break-even point, profit and loss account, debt to service coverage ratio, all the things we will teach you free in the EDA. So second step, we are helping you on business model and business plan preparation. Lot of project reports are available on food industry, garment industry, leather industry, spices, kaya, gem and jewelry. Lot of industries are there. More than 6,000 products you can make. Pen, pencil, everything. Third step, you can be a proprietor, proprietrix, partner, public limited, private limited, all things we are helping. Even you can start a cooperative society. Tamil Nadu, we have Sago Serve in Salem. In Ooty, we have Ooty Tea. We have Kaya Society, Leather Society, Brick Society, Garment Society. 10 members can join that. So this is your third step. Fourth one, where you can start. Students, if you have your own place, you can start in your home. Or you can go for a rented one. Or we are having industrial estate. 127 industrial estate we are having. SIDCO, Small Industries Development Corporation, Ambattur, Tirumudivakam, Tirumalisai. Lot of each and every district we have an industrial estate. Land is available. You can onboard through online. We will allot the 5 acre, 1 acre, 2 acre like that, and then you can start there. Second, we have SIPCOT, SIPCOT is for the large industry. We have Iringattukottai, Gummudipundi, Siriseri. There 20% is reserved for MSME. For example, Iringattukottai, you have Hyundai. Hyundai can't manufacture all the car component. So some of them they have to give to a vendor, micro, small, medium entrepreneur. That's why government policy, very big company coming means my MSME also will be there in that place only. So we have SITCO, SIPCOT, TITCO we have, Tamil Nadu Industrial Development Corporation, you have Tidal Park, Tisel Park, Biotechnology Park, so many things here are there. You can start an IT company in Siriseri or in a OMR Road, you have Tidal Park. So fourth step, you can search for a land and building, we will help you. Fifth step, raw material and machinery. We have GEM portal, government e-market, more than 1 lakh organizations have registered in the GEM portal. Army, Navy, Air Force, ICF, all state government, even if they want to buy one pen also, they will buy only from the government e-market. You have lot of scope for a GEM portal. See, even amoxicillin tablet, if government they want 1 lakh tablet means 25% they will buy only from micro, small entrepreneur or startup entrepreneur. So 25% reservation is there for MSME. 4% reservation is there for SC/ST entrepreneur. 3% is reservation for women entrepreneur. So government want 1 lakh solar panel means 25,000 they will buy only from micro, small entrepreneur. 4,000 from SC/ST entrepreneur, 3,000 from women entrepreneur. Like that we have purchase policy. Price policy also we are having 15% higher than that you can keep it. So this is fifth step. Sixth step, we are having single window clearance. Global investor meet, Tamil Nadu government, we have invested around 1 lakh crore. Hola company, they have invested around 15,000 crore. So all areas they have invested. There also we are having a single window portal, Department of Town and Country Planning, you can register, Pollution Control Board, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, Health Department clearance, and then Inspector of Factory, Inspector of Boiler, and then Fire Services, 154 clearance you are giving for an MSME within 1 month. Not only MSME, even large company. If a company from Japan, they want to start an industry, they can go to the single window portal, do all the registration there, they can start here, Japan or Korea. Like that, Tamil Nadu government has done a single window clearance in the website, in the Tamil Nadu government website. So you no need to worry, within 1 month, according to Business Facilitation Act, you can get all the clearances. This is sixth step. Seventh one, finance is very important. Where you will go for your money? If you want to start an industry, you can ask your father and mother. If you have some saving, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, he will give you. Otherwise, you have venture capital, angel investor, or you can go to Tansim. But Tamil Nadu government, we are having 5 schemes. One is Unemployed Youth Employment Generation Program. 15 lakhs we are giving for a business sector. So you can start provision store, fancy store, medical store, trading. Out of that 3.75 lakh we are giving free. Qualification is only 8th standard. See, if you are not eligible for this scheme, you can tell to your father and mother or your students or your friends. So business sector, you can have up to 15 lakhs, UIGP. 4 days training program also we are giving. Entrepreneur development training on production management, finance management, human resource, and then marketing. So entrepreneur will take class for you. So this is UIGP. Then we have Prime Minister Employment Generation Program, PMEGP. 20 lakhs for a service sector. You can start laptop service, cell phone service, tailoring, two-wheeler service station, four-wheeler service station, restaurant, lab. So whatever service sector you can start for 20 lakh. And then 50 lakh for manufacturing. So manufacturing you can start a leather industry, whatever industry. See, 3 are very important. One is our food industry. Then our dress material, udukavadai. Then construction industry. In this, if you put whatever money you can earn. Apeda you can do export, agriculture process export development agency. Marine process export development agency, you can export all non-vegetarian. And then we have apparel export promotion council, you can export all your garments. You know Tirupur they are exporting 35,000 crore throughout the world. All garments are going from Tirupur. Then you have a construction industry, council for leather export. Leather also it is going from Ambur, Vaniambadi to Europe countries. Lot of crore they are earning. And then you can go for a other industries. So many industries are there. Engineering Export Promotion Council. You can export your car, bike through that council, EEPC. Then you have a coir board, spices board, tea board, coffee board. All export you can do from government. We are having a very good export promotion cell. You can come there. We will help you how to export to America or Australia or Japan. We will tell you where to export, how to export, when to export. All A to Z of Export Promotion Council, from registration, getting IE code, import export code, all we will help you. So 7th step, PMEGP 50 lakh you can get for manufacturing. No qualification, nothing. Even your father and mother who are aged around 70 or 80 years, they can start an enterprise. If they have 8th standard, we will give 50 lakh for manufacturing, 20 lakh for service. If they don't have any qualification, 10 lakh is given for a manufacturing, 5 lakh for service sector. So for 50 lakh, government is giving 17.5 lakh free. You have to bring only 5%. 5% of 50 lakh is 2.5 lakh. Government will give 17.5 lakh free. So 20 lakh is your money. Remaining 30 lakh only you have to repay to bank for 5 years. Very simple interest, PNR by 100. Principal, number of year, rate of interest. So Prime Minister Employment Generation Program is a very good scheme for service and manufacturing sector. Here also we are giving 10 days entrepreneur development program. See, skill training that non-Mudalvan portal is giving. Entrepreneurship we are giving. Then we have needs scheme, new entrepreneur come enterprise development scheme. From 10 lakhs till 5 crore you can start. You can start a solar panel manufacturing, rice mill, dal mill, or very big company up to 5 crore. For that you have to bring again 5%. Banker will give 95% loan. Tamil Nadu government will give 25% subsidy. So for 5 crore, 75 lakh we are giving free. 3% interest subsidy we are giving. Whatever you are repaying to bank, 3% is given as a subsidy. So bank interest is 10% means you are paying only 7% for 70 lakhs. Remaining all we will give free. So needs also we are giving 15 days entrepreneur development program training. Then we have Prime Minister Food Processing Scheme. You can start food industry. In food you can do your groundnut, burpee or anything related with the pasta, vermicelli or any packed food like bread, biscuit, jam, all the thing you can do up to 1 crore. We are giving 10 lakh subsidy. So you have to bring 90% from the bank. So out of 1 crore, 10 lakh is given free for you in the food processing sector. So you can see lot of things are doing. One woman entrepreneur, she has started that inji pundu and all, she is mixing and giving to biryani company. She is earning lot. One more woman entrepreneur, she has started vermicelli and then pasta, that product. And you know in Tirupattur and all, they are doing groundnut, our baripi, verkale baripi, that and all they are doing very thing. And one fresher they are exporting to foreign country, 46 country. Our pickles, you know that pickles is very famous. In Vellarica they are doing that pickles, Vellarica and baby corn. They are exporting throughout world, 46 country. Like that, leather, lot of things are doing. So this is Prime Minister Food Processing Scheme. Next we have Annal Ambedkar Business Championship Scheme. Only for SC/ST entrepreneur. You can start up to 50 crore. You can bring one, you no need to bring any money. 35% we are giving subsidy, 65% government through bank we will give you loan. So for 1 crore if you want to start a solar panel, 35 lakh we will give you free, 65 lakh bank will give, State Bank, Indian Bank or Indian Overseas Bank. You can start your unit without investing anything on business sector, service sector or manufacturing sector. So this is called Annal Ambedkar scheme. So if these 5 schemes are very important, Tamil Nadu government is giving you for you to start an enterprise. Apart from that, if you buy only machinery, we are having capital subsidy scheme for 50 crore, 1.5 crore we are giving free. And then power subsidy, whatever you have paid to electricity board, 20% we are reimbursing. And we have an employee provident fund subsidy. If you have 20 employee in your company, 2,000 is given per employee. And for ISO, if you get ISO, we are giving 2 lakhs to a consultant. If you want to get ISO from Germany or Japan, for the 10 lakhs we are giving. If you want to participate in exhibition, we are giving 2.5 lakh. If you want to participate in exhibition in foreign country, America or Australia, 10 lakhs we are giving. So as a group you can go. So lot of funds we are giving, more than 1,000 crore we are providing to a micro small entrepreneur. This is your 7th step. 8th step, we are giving free training on entrepreneurship development program. 4 days, 10 days, 15 days like that. 9th step, you have to take income tax, PAN number, GST, employee state insurance, employee provident fund, employee pension scheme, all the thing. Because if you safeguard your employee only, they will be with you. Otherwise, after getting some experience, they will go out. I heard that one beauty parlor, one lady, she said, sir, they are learning all the beauty parlor thing from us, and then they are going out, and then they are starting one more industry. So whoever customer come, they will having one visiting card and giving to them. Tomorrow I am going to open in next state. Here they are charging 500 rupees, but I am charging only 300 rupees for my beauty parlor. You can come there. So there is a competition there. You know Sakti Masala? Sakti Masala, that madam came to us to take 35,000 loan. 35,000 is nothing nowadays. So Sakti Masala proprietor, she came to our office, DAC E-Road, to take 35,000 from Prime Minister Rochkar Yojana. What happened? She struggled a lot to get that loan. She went to DIC. I am from DIC. DIC is there throughout India. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, you have district industry center. I am general manager. So that madam went to E-Road to take 35,000 loan. What happened? Finally, she got that 35,000 loan. She started the industry. Now she is crorepati. Sakti Masala madam. I can see madam also like Sakti Masala madam. Somewhat resemblance. So, that Sakti Masala madam, she has given lot of employment to even a physically challenged person. Why I am telling, starting from zero money, she has got lot of award, from CM award, Prime Minister award. So like that, but what happened after getting that loan? She has become crorepati. Now the bank manager who have hesitated to give loan to that madam will come to that madam and ask, madam, now you are having 1 crore. Why can't you deposit in my bank? Like that they will ask. This is the fate of entrepreneur. Entrepreneur, from zero you can be a top. You know Dr. Velumani? Anyone know Dr. Velumani? You know only Countapani. Okay, Dr. Velumani is a psychotherapist. He is a physiotherapist. Without any money, he stayed in Mumbai. He told this story in ITC Chola, Chennai. Pin drop silence for an half an hour. He has given one talk, Dr. Velumani. Without any money, he went to Mumbai railway station. He stayed there for 2 days and he went to a hospital. He joined as an intrapreneur. Intrapreneur means he is working there. He will learn about an entrepreneurship. So he learned all about the hospital, how the hospital doctors, what they are doing, nurses, all the thing he learned. He came out and started Thyrocare. You know Thyrocare? Go and search in here, Google. Now that company is a crore turnover. So like that he has rise. Like that only our Ambani also. Ambani also without any money he started selling cloth. After that he did his refinery. Lot of things. Now he's a crorepati. Why I am telling this? All the entrepreneurship is in with you only. Profit or loss, you are only responsible. So you can learn lot. Tamil Nadu government, we are giving lot for you. So 9th step, all statutory clearance you have to take. Final one, Udyam registration certificate. So that certificate also through online we are giving. You can take URC, Udyam registration certificate. That is, if you are going to buy a house, you can go to registration department. Same thing, once you have started your industry, you can go to Government of India website, you can take Udyam registration certificate. So 10 steps are free only. Then what you can do? After that, marketing is very important. We have MSME Mart, Amazon, Flipkart. Through that you can export all your product or you can market your product. So you can develop a website and market your product. After that, we are having a Naukri.com, Sampark.com. In that we are placing employment. And then we have a lot of Government of India department where they are helping you to get patent. Tamil Nadu government, we are giving 3 lakhs for patent, sir. So if any student, you are registered for patent, patent is 8,900. Publication fee, examiner fee, and then your application fee, 8,900, we are giving 3 lakh free for a patent. So students, you can make use of that patent. Even Government of India is also giving, through Startup India, they are giving 1 lakh for a patent. Startup India means those who are doing an innovative product, they are called come under Startup India. So for that also Government of India they are giving a patent free, and then no, they will give you hub, you no need to pay any tax for 3 years, and then mobile hub will be given, no one will come for an inspection, easily you can close your company and come. Like that, lot of facilities are there. Even for Startup India, Government of India is giving lot of funds for an innovation. So you can make use of that. So these 10 steps are very important. I request the students, you decide now, you are in a first year, second year, or third year, or fourth year. You decide what is your fate, what you are going to be. Whether you are going to do any transformer, or any robo, or any your solar panel, you decide now itself, do research on that. Take lot of material on that. After coming out of your college, you did project on that BE. Any solar means you do project on that. Come out, you start an industry. We will give land, building, machinery, all facility will give. Even in fourth year, I told you, innovation money and all we are giving. So all the things you can make use of. Please, you don't be a burden to your father and mother. See, your father and mother is a God. See, lot of gods are there. But according to me, father and mother is the first God. By leaving them, we are going to Kasi, Rameswaram, so many places. That is different. But if you safeguard your father and mother, that itself is a very good thing you are doing to your society. Because all along they are putting fees and helping you to come up in your life. So till their end, you have to make use of, you have to take care of them. So first you read very well. Don't waste your time. Don't waste time in other things. But concentrate on studies, finish your project, start an enterprise. If you get job through campus placement, no problem. Otherwise, you no need to worry. You can come to us. We are here to help you to start an industry. You can note down my number. Can I give my number, sir? My number is 9444. I am Bhaskaran. So any doubt, future, if you want, I will send you e-book also. If you want for starting an industry, you can contact me, 9444 113605. This is my cell number, 9444 113605. I will send the e-book to your sir also, Bhadiraja sir and Shivakumar sir, everyone. I will send you one e-book. It will, whatever I said, everything is in that book. So you can make use of that, and then you can make. So any doubt also, I am here to help you. You can clarify, or you can send me in your WhatsApp. I will help you in taking this. So once again, I am requesting you to be a successful entrepreneur. After that, you can come to your college as an alumni, and then you can make use of that college. Lot of laboratories sir is having. You can make use of that space. You can develop new product. You can take students from here itself for your job. See, that also you can do. After opening a company, no need to go anywhere. You can take a very good student from your own college. So alumni is also very important. You can be a best alumni. Even I am an alumni chairman also for my college. Like that you can do that. Even throughout world you can connect all the alumni, sir, so that they can give you job, all placement, any entrepreneurship, all that also they will cover. So I request again students to start an industry. We are here to help you. So தொழில் தொடங்க வாருங்கள், தோள் கொடுப்போம் நாங்கள் என்று கூறிக்கொண்டு எனக்கு வாய்ப்பளித்த அனைவருக்கும் நன்றி கூறி அமைகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. As we mark this special occasion, let us take a moment to express gratitude for the support of our teachers, the friendship of our peers, and the opportunities afforded to us by our college community. I now invite our dynamic chairman, Dr. V.P. Ramamurthy sir, to address the gathering.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, good afternoon, Anna. Sorry. Today we are having the second day of celebration, the college day. Really, we got a very good chief guest. I am really happy that Dr. Bhaskaran has acted as a chief guest here. He's a general manager, grade 1, joint director, engineering, MSME department, government of Tamil Nadu. I was really wondering where from he is getting the point. For nearly 40 minutes is going on, pouring. All the points, what are the financial funding is available for the entrepreneurs. And my opinion and his opinion are matching together. I used to tell that don't be an employee. Don't have your hand like this. You should be an employer. And you should become an entrepreneur. But I really enjoyed all the points. பட் அவர் ஒரு பாயிண்ட் சொன்னார், அப்போ எனக்கு பயகம் வந்துடுது. ஒரு பாயிண்ட் நோட் பண்ணிங்களா? சக்தி மசாலா. சக்தி மசாலா சொல்லும்போது என் மிஸ்ஸஸை பார்த்தேன். ஆல்ரெடி ஷி இஸ் வெரி பிரைட், எப்பவுமே ஸ்மைலிங்கு. சக்தி அவன் எப்படி சக்தி மசாலா ஆனால் நான் என்ன பண்ண போகிறேன்னு தெரியல. த ஹோல் காலேஜ் இஸ் ரன்னிங் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தி வெல்விஷர் ஆஃப் தட் சக்தி ஒன்லி. அதனால் இவருடைய அட்வைஸ் கேட்டுக்கிட்டு அவர் ஏதோ சக்தி மசாலா கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிக்க போகிறாளோ அப்படின்னு பார்த்தேன். பட் ஷி வாஸ் வெரி பிரைட். அப்படியே ஒரு ஐடியா இருக்குதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன் அவங்களுக்கு, ஒரு கம்பெனி ஆரம்பிக்கலான்றது. நல்லா தான், பட் காலை விட்டுட வேண்டாம்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிகாஸ் ஒன் மேன் அலோன் cannot run the show. I want to congratulate all the people of yesterday's function. Yesterday we had this cultural function. I really enjoyed it. In the past history, I have stopped the cultural function in the middle because they are not behaving well. But yesterday, hats off to all the students here. Really, I'm telling you, it's coming from my heart. I think you are going to give me a lot of problems as in the yesteryears. You make all the funs and making Galata, whistle and all. But it went on very, very well. And this is the first time we invited celebrities. And they also did a very good job. And really, we enjoyed it yesterday. அதே மாதிரி இன்றைக்கும் அதை விட நல்லதாக பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறோம். So when you enjoy, I will also enjoy. That's the only occasion I'm sitting here and then enjoying all the jokes and dance, music and all. And therefore, I request that today afternoon also should be a very enjoyable day. We'll enjoy. Have a fun, have a dance. இவன் டான்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது நீங்கள் டான்ஸ் ஆகாமல் இருக்க முடியாது. ஆடலைன்னா நீங்கள் அவுட்டு. நீங்களும் ஆடணும் வித்தின் த லிமிட். Without going beyond the boundary, you enjoy your all the dancing and all. Should be within the limit, and we have to maintain the discipline in the campus. We are all going to become officers. We are going to become engineers, not like other people going for office work. Okay? So yesterday we had one celebration day, sports day, and today we are having college day. And as our dean said, yesterday I gave an example of sports is important and academic is also important. I gave an example, a body of a human being, comparing with the sports day. This is the body and this is the sports and this is the academic. Physically, you should be fit. Then only academics will go into your mind. So, for everybody there should be two things. Body should be there, and another component of the body is the mind, that is head, brain. Now today I want to tell you one more part. Now suppose a human being has got a body and a mind alone. He is alone. Nobody is there along with him. You understand the problem? In the world, on the earth, only one person is there, maybe a boy, maybe a male or a female. That soul alone is there with a body and a mind. What he can do? இதை பண்ண முடியுமா? என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? No use at all. Having a body and a head is no use at all. That means we need something else. I want to tell you. Based on a point, I want to develop this. So I'm alone is there. Nobody is there. On the earth, I am alone. Can I enjoy life? Not possible. So this story or a point may be very kacha. Bear with me. If you understand that, you will understand the whole world. The whole concept of why we are coming here, we will know. So on this earth, I am alone is there, no use at all. So what is another part necessary? A counterpart is necessary, right? For a male, there should be a female, and a female, there should be a male. Unless you have got a partner, you cannot live on the earth. அது மாதிரி எனக்கு ஒரு வைஃப் வேணும் இல்லையா? Then what happens? Multiplies. They will have children. They will have relatives. Now like that, the whole thing goes on building and building and building. We got a society. Only when you are in the society, you can be happy. Whenever a problem is come to you, other people are going to help you. And therefore, the whole happiness on the earth is not because of only one alone, because of the whole society. Now, when you are in the society, you are not alone. Your children will help you. Father, mother will help the children. Children will help them in the later days. Relatives will help us. Now, like that, helping is a must. We must be there. We must be in the society, and the society should help us. And therefore, we should have help from other people. Now, when you get help, what we are supposed to do? When I get help from somebody, I should remember his help now. That means I should have a gratitude. I should reciprocate. Newton's third law. Whatever comes to you, you have to share with him. So like that, in the society, we are so many people are there. They are interlinkly helping each other. Whenever you get help from somebody else, it is a duty that you have to reciprocate. Third law cannot fail. It's always true. It is a universal law. Whatever you get, you are supposed to return. அப்படி பண்ணும்போது you should have gratitude. Now, do you understand? Do you mean that college alone can be run by management alone? Impossible. Management can only have an infrastructure. Infrastructure alone can run the college. We need a lot of people, like teaching faculty, non-teaching faculty, and then you got the students. So it's a group, you have to be there, then only the college will be running. Now that means you are helping the management for the college by way of teaching as well as for doing a lot of other non-academic activities. And therefore, the college or the management has to reciprocate the gratitude. Whatever help you do them, we have to reciprocate. And that is the meaning of this day. This day is, yesterday we celebrated sports. Today is to say the gratitude for the people, for the faculty members, for help in developing the college and getting a good name, as well as for the students showing their talents and getting a good name for the college, and teaching faculty for getting a good name for the college, and not teaching faculty with their own efforts. They are helping the college growth. And therefore, today it's a job of the management to call them on the stage and then give them in return by Newton's third law something what is possible by the management, and don't worry about the amount of the gratitude. It's a gratitude. And therefore today we are going to enjoy by calling the students who have got a good rank and thereby got the branding for the college, faculty members who have written a lot of papers and research patents, thereby they are getting the branding of the college, and teaching non-teaching faculty who help in growth of the college. It is our duty to reciprocate the gratitude, and that is the function of this college day. And I don't want to be in between this for a long time, and therefore I wish all the students to be enjoyable. One thing I see that lot of fans are going. It's really colorful. நல்லா இருக்கு. But it's a summer. உங்களுக்கு ஏசி ஹால் வேணுமா? ஏசி ஆடிட்டர் வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? வேணுமா வேண்டாமா? எப்போ வேணும்? இப்போ முடியாது, இப்போ முடியாது. அடுத்த வருஷம் மோஸ்ட் ப்ராபப்ளி பை காட் கிரேஸ் in the same place you will have an AC auditorium. Okay? நான் உங்களுக்கு வெயிலில் பார்க்குறதுக்கே எனக்கு சங்கடமாக இருக்குது. எனக்கு ஃபேன் இருக்குது, எனக்கு என் சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் அம்மாக்கெல்லாம் ஃபேன் கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, நல்லா கூலாக இருக்குது. பட் உங்களை பார்த்தா ரொம்ப சங்கடமாக, அதான் ஃபேன் கொடுத்தேன். ஃபேன் கொடுத்தா ஆட்டிக்கிட்டே இருக்கீங்க நீங்கள். அடுத்த வருஷத்துக்கு பை காட் கிரேஸ், இஃப் திங்ஸ் ஆர் கோயிங் ஆன் வெல், in the same place I want to have a AC auditorium so that you can enjoy. Okay? So I wish you all the best. Today's function and tomorrow function is a great function for the college, and please cooperate with us. College is nalla perna, not because of management. I am very clear. I can only pump in money, that's all. Beyond that I cannot do. I can do some efforts, hard work பண்ண முடியும். மீதி எல்லாமே காலேஜ் பேர் வர்றது எல்லாமே because of the teaching, non-teaching and students. So this is your college, and you have to bring the name for the college where you are studying. This is gratitude சொல்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. When you go to the college, you should have gratitude. If you are not going to have a gratitude, like gratitude of parents, you are failing in your life. You are failing in your life. That means you are violating the Newton's third law. Don't take it easy. So everybody going out of the college, you have to have a gratitude for the teachers who taught you, for the non-teaching faculty to help you and make your classroom neat, and therefore gratitude alone will make you up. மீதனுமே வராது. Okay? Now with this, and சார் சொன்னார் 10 commandments மாதிரி எனக்கு ஃபீல் பண்ணது. He gave 10 steps. சுனாமி மாதிரி அடிக்கிறார், எங்கேருந்து வருதுன்னு தெரியல. பாயிண்ட் பை பாயிண்ட் அப்படியே கடைன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. இந்த ஃபண்ட் இருக்குது, இந்த ஃபண்ட் இருக்குது. So when so many funds are available around us, why not utilize it? Don't extend a hand to have a borrow money from somewhere else. Government is giving, lot of funding is there, and therefore I wish all my students should be at least to some extent entrepreneur, and don't be an employee. முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் be an entrepreneur. உங்களுக்கு தெரியுமா, இப்போ நம்ம காலேஜில் 2 entrepreneurs இருக்காங்க தெரியுமா உங்களுக்கு? 2 third-year students are having a company in our college. 2 students are there in running their industry here. I don't know the names. What are the names of the student?
Aravind from Vegas Brain.
சொல்லுங்க.
Aravind from Vegas Brain. He is our 3rd-year computer science department students. Right now he is having he is sharing his workspace at our college premises. In our incubation center, our chairman sir allocated one separate office space for his company. He is working over there along with his employees as a fellow internship to their own classmates. Hopefully he will produce more products with our DC support. Thank you, Aravind, and thank you, sir.
Now, like that, I want many more to come to the R&D center and try to use the space. We want startup companies, we want incubation centers, and we'll give the space, we'll give all facilities. To some extent, I'll give money also. Seed money I'll give. With the seed money, develop a project and go ahead with a entrepreneurship program. Therefore, I wish that today's function in the afternoon will be very good. Tomorrow we are having a very ceremonious function. And please attend the ceremonial function of graduation day and make a, because we are inviting our Vice Chancellor, Velraj is coming, Dr. Velraj. And therefore, we have to show our unity. Dhanalakshmi College means it is like this. It is a unique college in discipline. We are having D there in the first, the discipline. And therefore, tomorrow, I request you all to come and participate in the graduate function, make it a grand success. And what you show, that memory will go to the Vice Chancellor. And therefore, since we are inviting a Vice Chancellor, we have to treat him well and show our dignity, show our carrying the campus. Okay? So tomorrow I request you to come for the function. Okay? So with this, I once again thank all our faculty, Dean for giving a very good speech, and Bharati Raja, placement officer. I really appreciate Bharati Raja because he is helping you to get placement in the 7th semester itself. Please understand, not many colleges have even started placements. There are colleges not yet started the placement, and with this great involvement, we almost finished the placement. Nearly about 80% of the eligible candidates have finished the placement, and the credit goes to the placement department, and other people are helping us, and therefore, it is the duty of the management to give a gratitude, and therefore we'll have a reciprocation, and we'll see that Newton's third law will never fail in our life. You must have that always in the mind that you can't cheat anybody. You will get cheated. Newton's third law will work every place, every nook and it's a universal law. And therefore, when you get help from somebody else, it is your duty to reciprocate. Okay? So with this, I wish you all the best for the college day, and let us enjoy now, afternoon, really enjoy the function. And tomorrow, please help us in conducting the graduation in a very nice manner. Thank you very much.
It's time for us to recognize our students for their immense efforts. Now we have the toppers of current academic year. From the Department of CSC, 4th year, the first position goes to Vaishnavi E. with a CGPA of 9.01, and she has been rewarded with a cash prize of 3,000. The second position goes to Chandani M. with a CGPA of 8.79, and she's been rewarded with a cash prize of amount 2,000. From third year, the first position goes to Asha Tarun with a CGPA of 8.8, and she's been rewarded with a cash prize of 3,000. And the second position goes to Pavin Kumar with a CGPA of 8.51, and he's been rewarded with the amount of 2,000. And from the second year, the first position goes to Syed Miran, the CGPA of 9.2, and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of 3,000. The second position goes to Akila M with a CGPA of 8.99, and she's been rewarded with amount 2,000. In the third position, in the second position goes to Naveen Krishnan with a CGPA of 8.99, and he is also receiving the cash amount of rupees 2,000. The next department is AIDS. The first position goes to Soumya, 4th year, with a CGPA of 8.41, and she's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. And the second position goes to Mukesh S with a CGPA of 8.34, and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2000. The second position is also shared by Shilpa S with a CGPA of 3.34, and she's also been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2000. Saranya D of third year secures the first position with a CGPA of 8.4, and she's been also awarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Mahesh Kumar secures the second position with a CGPA of 8.37, and he is also receiving rupees 2,000. Hemastri of second year secures the first position with a CGPA of 8.75, and she's been awarded with the cash prize of rupees 3,000. And the second position is secured by Pavitra G with the CGPA of 8.71, and she's been awarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next, we are moving on to the Department of ECE. Venkatesh of fourth year gets the first position with a CGPA of 8.84, and he's been awarded with the cash prize rupees 3,000. The second position is secured by Narasimha Naidu with a CGPA of 8.61, and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. And from the third year, the first position is secured by V. Kavya with a CGPA of 8.65. The second position is secured by Priyadarshini with a CGPA of 8.45. From the second year, Ramya M secures the first position with a CGPA of 8.68, and she has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. And the second position is secured by Priyadarshini BM with a CGPA of 8.37, and she has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. From the Department of Triple E, the first position is secured by Venkat Subhash with a CGPA of 7.5, and he's been rewarded with a cash amount of rupees 3,000. And the second position is secured by Sudarshan G with a CGPA of 7.13, and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Jay Ganesh K of third year secures the first position with a CGPA of 7.8, and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Divya K secures the second position with a CGPA of 7.61. Taranish of second year secures the first position with a CGPA of 7.78, and he's been also rewarded Mitra Darshan of second year secures the first position with CGPA of 7.78. And the second position is secured by Yuvraj V with this CGPA of 7.78. Next comes the Department of Cyber Security. From the second year, Rishi secures the first position with a CGPA of 8.74. Darshini of second year secures the second position with a CGPA of 8.71. The Department of Mechanical From the Department of Mechanical, fourth year, Hariharan B secures the first position with a CGPA of 7.67 and he has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. From the third year, Vignesh R secures the first position with a CGPA of 7.68 and he has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. The second position is secured by Nishant A with a CGPA of 7.68 and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Bhima Shankar of second year secures the first position with a CGPA of 7.95 and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Arun S secures the second position with the CGPA of 7.7 and he has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next comes the Department of Science and Humanities. Vaidyanathan M secures the first position with a CGPA of 9.63 and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Second position is secured by Agnes Celestina with a CGPA of 9.14 and she's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. From the AIDS, Tamarai Selvi K secures the first position with a CGPA of 9.05 and she's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. The second position is secured by Praveena S and the CGPA is 8.95 and she's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. From the ECE department, the first position is secured by Kritika T with a CGPA of 8.95 and she has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. The second position is secured by Dharini T with a CGPA of 8.59 and she has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. The second position is shared with Sweta Meera A with a CGPA of 8.59 and she has been also rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. From the Department of Cyber Security, Manoj K secures the first position with a CGPA of 8.77 and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. The second position is secured by Anita S with a CGPA of 8.5 and she's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Sukandan D of Mechanical Department secures the first position with a CGPA of 7.91 and he's been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000. Gokulakannan B of Triple E Department secures the first position with a CGPA of 7.68 and has been rewarded with a cash prize of rupees 3,000.
Now it's time to honor our faculty members. Our DC is delighted to honor our faculty's paper publication and patents. So in the list, I first call upon Dr. Revati K, Assistant Professor, who has published 5 Scopus papers and is receiving a cash award of rupees 10,000. Next, I call upon Dr. Shivakumar from EC Department, who has published 5 Scopus papers and receiving a cash award of rupees 7,000. I call Dr. Sultanuddin, Associate Professor from AIDS, who has published 4 Scopus papers and receiving a cash prize of rupees 5,000. Next, I call upon Dr. Vivekanandan, Assistant Professor from CSE, who has published 1 SCI and 2 Scopus and receiving a cash award of rupees 5,000. A gentle reminder for the students, kindly be seated in your places. Do not leave the premises here. You should be inside. Kindly be seated. Next, I call upon Ms. Ramya from EC, Assistant Professor, has published 1 Scopus and 1 book, receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next is Ms. Shivagami Devi, Assistant Professor from AIDS, published 2 Scopus, receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next is Mr. Tirumurthy from Triple E Department, published 2 Scopus, receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next, Mr. Kumar from EC, Assistant Professor, published 2 Scopus papers and receiving a cash award of rupees 2,000. We move on to the patent publishers of EC Department. Dr. Devasena has published 2 patents and receiving a cash prize of rupees 5,000. Next is Mr. Tirumurthy from Triple E Department, Associate Professor, receiving a cash prize of rupees 5,000 for 2 patent publication. Next, I call upon Ms. Rennie Henna Helen from CSE Department, Assistant Professor, receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000 for 2 patents. Next, Ms. Rajeshwari, Assistant Professor of Triple E Department, for 1 patent, receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next, I call upon Ms. Rogini P of Triple E Department, receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000 for 1 patent. Next, Mr. Kumar K from EC Department has completed 3 patents and receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next, Ms. Nandini from EC Department, done 1 patent with receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next is Mr. Yuvraj N from CSE department. Has done 2 patents and receiving the cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next, I call upon Mr. Parthasarathi from placement department, the technical trainer, receiving rupees 2,000 for 2 patents. Next is Dr. Shivakumar, EC department associate professor, receiving rupees 2,000 for 1 patent. And next, I call upon Ms. P. Dhanalakshmi, assistant professor of AI and DS department, receiving cash prize of rupees 2,000 for 1 patent. Now we are delighted to honor our faculties and the non-teaching faculty members who have served DCE for more than 10 years and more than 5 years. Now first on the list, I call upon the staffs who have served more than 10 years with DCE. First is Mr. Pandi Kumar from Computer Science. Okay. Now I call upon Mrs. Now I call upon our chairperson, ma'am, to give few words for the gathering.
Good afternoon, children. ரொம்ப வெயிலாக இருக்குங்களா? இப்போ வெயில் தெரியாது. ஆஃப்டர்நூன் 2 மணி 3 மணி மேலேன்னா வெயில் எவ்வளோ கொதித்தாலும் அது கூலாக இருக்கும். ஆனால் அது உங்களுடைய டே, இது காலேஜ் டே. காலேஜ் டேயில் வந்து வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் எல்லாமே சீஃப் கெஸ்ட் அவங்க சொன்னாங்க. நம்ம சேர்மனும் பேசினாங்க. வெரி இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்டில் எவ்வளோ டீப் கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன்ஸ் கொடுக்குறோமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து உங்களுடைய ஃப்யூச்சரும் நல்லா அமையும். அது ப்ராஜெக்ட் மட்டும் பண்ணுறது பெருசு இல்லை, நல்லா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் கொடுக்கணும். புரியுதுங்களா? நீங்கள் எல்லாத்துலேயுமே இன்வால்வ் ஆகணுன்னா நமக்கு மைண்டு வேணும். மைண்டு வந்து நம்ம வேஸ்ட் ஆஃப் டைம் பண்ணாமல் நல்ல மாதிரி நம்ம ப்ராஜெக்ட் கொடுத்து நல்ல மாதிரி ஒரு ரிசல்ட்டு கொடுத்து நல்ல ப்ளேஸ் பண்ணோன்னா இதுக்கு மிஞ்சினது ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் எல்லாருமே ஒரே ஒரு சஜஷன் கேட்குறேன். நம்ம காலேஜ் க்ரோத் நீங்கள் தான் வேர், அடிவேர்ன்றது வந்து சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் தான். சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு காட் மாதிரி. நீங்கள் ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு லெவலுக்கு கூட்டின்னு வந்தால் நம்ம காலேஜ் நேம் எங்கேயே போயிடும், எங்கேயே ஒரு ரிசல்ட் வந்துடும். ஒரே ஒரு ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணி கேட்குறேன். டோட்டலி திஸ் இஸ் அவர் காலேஜ். நம்ம காலேஜில் உருவாக்குறது எல்லாமே நம்ம மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி அண்ட் மேனேஜ்மெண்ட் சேர்மன் சார், அதர் சில்ட்ரன்ஸ் எல்லாருமே ஒன்றா சேர்ந்து நம்ம காலேஜில் நல்ல நேம் வரணும், நல்ல ரிசல்ட் வரணும், நல்ல பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் போகணும். உங்களுடைய ஹாப்பினஸ் எல்லாம் நான் பார்க்கணும். இதோடு முடிச்சு கொள்கிறேன்.
Now I call upon Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Professor from Mechanical Department, to receive the cash prize. Since he is unable to come, now kindly receive the cash prize for Dr. Pradeep Kumar.
You just read out the names.
Yeah.
All the 4 names you just.
Next we have Dr. Mr. Nasima Prasad, who's receiving a cash prize of rupees 2,000. Next we have Mr. Yuvraj and Ms. Rohini receiving a cash prize for the patents. Now let's move on to the people who have served the DC for more than 10 years. In the list, I call upon the first person, Mr. Pandi Kumar, who has served the institution for 12 years, 10 months from Computer Science Department. Next, we have Mr. Tirumurthy P., who has served 20 years and 8 months in Electrical and Electronics Department. Next, we call upon Dr. Devsena, who has served DC for 20 years and 10 months in EC Department as an Associate Professor. Then we call upon Ms. Esther Gantimati, who has served DC for 17 years and 3 months. She is an Associate Professor from Electronics and Communication Department. Next, Mr. Kumar A. from Electronics and Communication, who has served DC for 12 years and 10 months as an Assistant Professor. Next is Dr. Pradeep Kumar, Professor of Mechanical Department, who has served 15 years and 11 months. Then we have Mr. Sendil Kumar R. from Mechanical Department, Assistant Professor. Mr. K. Jaykumar served DC for 10 years from Science and Humanities Department. Next we have Mr. Ramajayam, who has served DC for 13 years and 8 months. Mr. Aksar, who has served 10 years and 3 months in DSE from Science and Humanities Department. Anything's left out. Next, move on to the non-teaching faculty members who have served for more than 10 years. Mr. Manoj Kumar from Sports Department, who have served DC for 15 years and 3 months. He's a physical director. Next, Mr. Suresh K, who has served 22 years and 8 months with DC as a librarian. And next, Mr. Ilango, who has served 21 years and 7 months as a library assistant. Mr. Krishnamurthy V served 11 years and 8 months from Mechanical Department, the lab assistant. Then Mr. Kumaresh V.R. from Mechanical Department, foreman, who has served 11 years and 11 months with DCE. Then we have Mr. Saravanan K.N., housekeeping supervisor, 23 years and 2 months with DCE. Mr. Rajesh Kumar D., administration department, and he's an assistant in an administration department, served 17 years and 7 months. Ms. Kokila M., who served DC for 16 years and 7 months as in the administration. Ms. Ramani E., served 21 years and 1 month. Worker Ramani E., I call upon Ramani E., worker. Then Saraswati K., Muniyammal R., Palayam S., Kutiyammal D., Lakshmi D., Amuda E., Vasanti R., Bhupati M., who all are serving the canteen and working as general workers here and serving DC for more than 18 to 20 years. Indra R., housekeeping, 21 years and 18 months. She's been with us. Lakshmi E., Lakshmi, housekeeping, Indra, then Lakshmi E., Murugammal R., Saraswati K., Indra R., Lakshmi E., Murugammal R., Padma D., Nagammal, Navanitam, Mahalakshmi. Okay.
முருகம்மாள். நீங்கள் சொல்ல நான் சொல்ல நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க. வாய்ஸ் சரியா இருக்கு. அங்கே போன பிறகு சொல்லுங்க.
அவங்க வெளியே போனதுக்கப்புறம் பேசுங்க.
Padma, Padma, Nagammal. Navanitam, Mahalakshmi. This is Mahalakshmi. Selvi M. Abisha. Librarian Ilango. I call upon Librarian Ilango. Ilango. Librarian.
கீழே இருக்கிறவங்க பேர் சொல்லாதீங்க, இவங்க படிச்சிடுறாங்க.
Kumar R from Transportation. Kumar R, Transportation, Transport in charge. Ethraj S, Erumalai. Erumalai. Ethiraj S. Nagappan. Marimuthu. Deiva Sigamani. Next. Sundar Raj. Vignesh. Vignesh. Masilamani. Masilamani. Kasinathan. Nagappan MN. Nagappan MN. Karthik Anandaraj. Karthik Anandaraj. Next is Arun. Arun. Setu. Setu. Battavachalam. Battuvachalam. Dinakaran. Next. This one. Next, I call upon the teaching faculties who have served for more than 5 years with DCE. Mr. Vivekanandan, who has served for 6 years. Ms. Renny Helen, who has served 6 years and 10 months from CSC. Next, Mr. Vijay Kumar T. Ms. Renny from CSC department. She served more than 6 years with EC. Next is Mr. Vijay Kumar T. Served for 5 years and 9 months. Mr. Nanda Kumar D. Served for 9 years and 10 months in mechanical department as assistant professor. Mr. Hariharan B. from mechanical department has served for 8 years and 10 months as an associate professor. Next we have Mr. Jayakar J. from mechanical department, served for 6 years as assistant professor. Next, Mr. Parthasarathi. Mr. Parthasarathi has served for 6 years in placement department as assistant professor. And then Ms. Ramajayam from mechanical. Now we move on to the non-teaching faculty members served for more than 5 years. Mr. Sri Hari SL from administration served for 7 years as ERP head. Ms. Tilagavati A. Ms. Tilagavati served for 7 years in the administration. Gift. Sports gift, sports gift. Sports gift. Dr. Shivakumar to receive the cash prize of rupees 7,000 for his dedicated work. And he's been serving EC department. Dr. Shivakumar is again receiving his cash prize rupees 2,000 for a patent.
Now it's time to felicitate our faculty members, that is to appreciate our faculty members, those who participated in sports activity. So first, teaching staff, women, throw ball. I'll call upon the runners of throw ball, Miss Rajeshwari, Miss Manikam, Miss Aida, Miss Bella Jeevamani, Miss Nandini R, and Miss Keetana. I request the faculty members to come quickly to collect your gifts. Satyam, Dhanalakshmi, Devika, இவங்கெல்லாம் வந்து winners. இருக்காங்க. சிவகாமி இல்ல, சத்யா வரலட்சுமி. சத்யா மேம் அவர் சொல்லுங்க. போதும் சார், யாராவது 2 பேர்கிட்ட கொடுத்தா போதும், 2 பேர்கிட்ட கொடுத்தா போதும். ஆமா, ரம்யா இருக்காங்க. வராங்க. Okay. So now I call upon the winners of throw ball, Miss Satya, Miss Varalakshmi, Miss Devika, Miss Ramya, Miss Sivagami Devi, and Revati. எனக்கான gift வாங்கிட்டு போயிடுங்க என்ன கவுண்டர். வாங்கிக்கோங்க, அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து வாங்கிக்கோங்க. அந்த டீம்ல இருந்து வாங்கிக்கோமா, கொடுத்துறேன். வாங்கிட்டு அப்படியே பின்னாடி வந்துருங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் வாங்கிட்டு அப்படியே பின்னாடி வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட். Now on dais, the winners of throw ball, Miss Satya, Miss Varalakshmi, Miss Devika, Miss Ramya, Miss Sivagami Devi, and Revati. Next event, shot put. So I request the top 3 positions faculty, Miss Varalakshmi and Devika, who secured 3rd position in shot put. Next, Satya and Kirtana. I ask the following faculty members to be ready. Now, shot put, third position, shared by Dhanalakshmi and Devika. Second prize goes to Miss Satya B. Now we have Kirtana, who position, first position. So who got first position in shot put? அவ்வளவுதான் சொல்லணும். So coming to chess, the runners are Bella Jivamani and Nandini. Runners Bella Jivamani and Nandini. Okay. Next, winners of chess, I call upon Pushpa Priya and Miss Saranya. Miss Pushpa Priya and Saranya. Next event, Carom. We have runners named Aida ma'am, Manikam, Miss Felicia and Miss Bella Jivamani. I call upon Miss Aida, Miss Manikam, Miss Felicia and Miss Bella Jivamani. Coming to winners, we like to invite Rajeshwari, Ramya, Nandini ma'am and Miss Pushpa Priya. So here comes the winners of Carom, Miss Rajeshwari, Miss Ramya, Miss Nandini and Miss Pushpa Priya. Napoleon. So now we have winners of Carom, Rajeshwari, Ramya, Nandini and Pushpa Priya. Next event, table tennis. Miss Satya secured third position. Miss Dhanalakshmi second position. And Miss Kirtana first position. Now we have Satya, who secured third position in table tennis. Next we have Dhanalakshmi, who secured second position in table tennis. We have Miss Kirtana now to get her first prize in participating table tennis. Sir, coming to teaching staff men, I'd like to invite Hariharan sir, Mr. Sriram and Dr. V. Pradeep Kumar. So table tennis singles, now we have Mr. Hariharan, who secured third position. Table tennis singles. Next, we have Sriram sir. Table tennis doubles, Mr. Hariharan and Mr. Sendil Kumar. Winners of table tennis doubles, Mr. Jayakumar N and Mr. Sriram. Now we have winners of table tennis doubles, Mr. Jayakumar and Mr. Sriram. Next event chess, runner Mr. Nandakumar D. Winner Mr. Narasimha Prasad. So we have runner of chess Mr. Nandakumar now. Next, Carom singles team event, runner Mr. Nandakumar and Mr. Kumar. Next comes the winners of Carom singles, Mr. Sendil Kumar and Mr. Sudin. Next event, Carom doubles. Next event, Carom doubles. Runners are Mr. Nandakumar and Dr. Pradeep Kumar. செந்தில் குமார் சாரோட வாங்கிக்கோங்க சார், முடிஞ்சிருச்சு சார். அவரோட வாங்க. இருக்கு சார். Winner Mr. Kumar and Mr. Narasimha Prasad. Next comes 100 meter. Mr. Kumar secured third position. Mr. Jayakumar N secured second position. And Mr. Nandakumar secured first position. First Kumar, அடுத்து Jayakumar, அடுத்து Nandakumar. Next event, fast walk 100 meter. Mr. Kumar A secured third position. Mr. Jayakumar secured second position. And Dr. Praveen Kumar secured first position. Shot put. Next event, shot put. Third position is bagged by Mr. Sriram. Dr. Praveen Kumar secured second position and Mr. Mohan secured first position. Non-teaching. அவ்வளவுதானே. So next comes non-teaching staff, event throw ball. The runners are Ramani, Nagammal, Navanidam, Jayanti, Vasanti, Murugammal, Sabita, Sarasu, Kala, Selvi and Chandra. Runners of throw ball, Ramani, Nagammal, Navanidam, Jayanti, Vasanti, Murugammal, Sabita, Sarasu, Kala, Selvi and Chandra. Next comes winners of throw ball. Muniammal, Lakshmi, Kumari, Indra Ammal, Padma Ammal, Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, Sankari, Kutti Ammal, Amuda and Manoramal. Tenikoid. Next event, Tenikoid. The runners are Tilakavati and Parameshwari. Winners are Kokila M and Miss Mini R. இது மட்டும் அவ்வளவுதான், வாலிபால் மட்டும். So next comes non-teaching staff male, Volleyball. Runners are Marimuthu, Sundararaj, Srinivasan, Karthik Anandraj, Arun, Vignesh, Kalyamurthy and Krishnamurthy.
Now it's time to appreciate our faculty members who have produced 100% result this year. The name of the faculties are Mr. V. Dixon Irudayaraj, P. Varlakshmi, Ms. G. Sivagami Devi, Ms. R. Nandini, from EC, Ms. V. Ramya, Mr. Narsimha Prasad, Ms. S. Nandini, Ms. A. Kumar, Ms. S. Felshia, and Ms. G. Pushpapriya. As we come to the end of this memorable event, I would request Ms. Keertana to propose the vote of thanks.
On the behalf of Dhanalakshmi College of Engineering, I take the immense pleasure and pride in the heartfelt gratitude to extend the vote of thanks. I thank our chief guest, our chairman, our chairperson, dean, placement director, and HODs of all the departments, staff, members, and to one and all gathered here by gracing this occasion with your presence and making this college day event a memorable one. Thank you all.
With a sense of pride and gratitude, we now declare the closure of a college day celebration. We extend a hearty appreciation to all who have contributed to this event with resounding success. Thank you all once again. Kindly request the students to disperse. Join us for lunch.